Today at MOBHouse Punboxing, I'm gonna turn into a Korean oppa. Kenapa? I'm fairer than Snow White and I don't bite. 내가 누군지 알아? 나는 MOBHouse입니다. 내가 제일 잘 나가. Acer Nitro 5, celebrate your life. 이노트 보기 좋아야 다 벌리 mesti menyesal kalau nak mesti boleh. Price memang okay, smooth like creme brulee. Hiya! Who is this auntie come into my studio in a wheelchair? Huh? Can stand one wall. You don't lie to people, it's not fair. And if you're an auntie and cannot see properly, you shouldn't play with a knife. Apparently today she's going to open a box. What is this? Nitro 5, Acer Nitro 5 laptop, is it? Ayo, fing like that for what? Just cut it open faster, get to the point. I don't have time to wait for your face to come out again. Now we're gonna open the box. The brown box, inside got what? Black stuff. We got a small box and one big thing that she's having trouble taking out. Okay, apparently come out already. This is the main toy. And this we have a black box that has the accessories that is necessary to run the laptop properly. Moving on. Oi, trolla! Why you save the plastic? Huh? To bag your groceries? Wow, really is an auntie. And then we have the brick. And I thought the brick is supposed to be smaller one. Why does it look so big in your hands? Hi, wow. Everything looks so big in Tat's hands. Hey, I thought we are in Malaysia. Why every plug also not Malaysian one? We're in Malaysia, right? I'm Shane Tan, right? I'm not Shaitan, right? Next, we have this laptop in perfect condition, just like this mini Asian sensation that will petition for your attention. Wow, it seems like she stripped things quite experienced. Wow. Her chi strong like Mulan. Her eyes round like Bulan. More pattern than badminton. If you smitten, continue watching lah. Your mother no teach. Rise up with the Nitro 5. Come take a dive and test drive. Black and red casing. Got your heart racing. Mainly plastic but still premium. Looks kinda like aluminium. For the screen, we have a slim bezel 15.6-inch 1080p IPS 144Hz display, so you can play all day and still slay, cause your eyes will thank me with the Acer Comfy View technology. Here we have a 4-zone RGB keyboard that will help you pwn some keyboard edgelords, cause they probably cannot afford RGB. Straight into the specs to earn your respect is the latest AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor with 8 cores and 16 threads. When it feels basic, it will walk at 2.9 GHz. But when it's feeling fantastic, it will fly at 4.2 GHz. Boosted! A disturbance in the force there is. An NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 it carries. With 4GB of GDDR6 memory, calm your memories. No RTX here lah, but this laptop is also not that expensive. What do you expect? Or hold the salt. By default, it only comes with 8GB of DDR4 RAM rated at 3200MHz. You'll be happy as a clam cause you can upgrade to 32GB of RAM, fam, to store your rage. For storage, we have 512GB of M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD for your super serious duties. Or if you're even more shock sendiri, there's an additional M.2 slot and they both support a RAID 0 configuration. And if you want more, congratulations! There is an additional HDD slot for all you slotty people. The more the merrier, right? The network. It uses Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5. Why not Bluetooth 6, you ask? Finally, for those who like to belakang Mali, here are the holes. And I'm not gonna list them out because there's a whole lot. You get it? The Acer Nitro 5 4555 go by with the AMD Ryzen 7 4800H is priced at only 499 so gao #cheap buy your wife will like, but even your mother will also not mind. If you laugh even a little bit in this video, you should subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook so you can stalk us. I know you always like to stalk people and don't lie.